And welcome back to my channel, and this is Neeraj Niftiwala. Today I have made a short video on the analysis, which is a technical analysis of the script, which is Syngene International Limited. This is a request from some of my viewers who want to understand as to what does it look like on the technical side of Syngene International, which is why I am making this. I'll be sharing some of my key observations about what does the chart look like, what are the key levels to watch, uh, and my understanding from the technical viewpoint. This is a pure technical viewpoint. This is not any kind of a buy or a sell indication that I am giving over here. Do not take any trade basis what I am talking over here. And if you like these videos of analysis which I am making over here, request you to please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and in case you think that my videos are helping you in any way to make informed decisions and take a trade, then it would be very nice of you if you could make a monetary contribution towards this QR code which I'm sharing, and this would help me sustain myself and the channel and the costs which are associated to making these kind of informative videos. So let's proceed further and understand as to what does it look like on the technical side of Syngene International. So the data that I'm watching over here is from the month of October 2022 all the way till October 2024. This is a good 2 year data which I am seeing, and basis which I am drawing some conclusions. So what does it look like on a generic standpoint? It looks like weak on a daily chart. So this is a daily chart, and it is just showing that there is a mild correction which is kind of formed over here. And this video is as of 13th October, and the last close which was seen, that is 879, that is a close. And the top which was formed, which was somewhere over here, it has made a top of 945 level. So main conclusion is that this is weak on daily chart, that is very slightly weak, but not weak on a long term trend basis as of now. So if you see this entire 2-3 year trend that Syngene International has shown, it doesn't look weak to me at all. It is still a very strong chart. And what are the key levels to watch? If you are a long term investor, you should not have any problem, you can keep buying these dips. But if you are a short term trader or looking at it from a short term perspective, then what are the key levels to watch, and what are the levels from which you should exit? So the levels that I have marked over here, you see these two green lines, these are the main levels basis which I am talking over here. So 879.90 is the close. After that, the levels to watch is that the first immediate support is near 853. That is the first level you can mark. 853 has been tested already on 7th of October. It can get retested. So this is normal behavior. If that breaks on a retest basis and on a closing basis, that is on a daily close, if you see a close below the level of 853, then what are the levels to watch? Then we come over here. What are the levels to watch? Then you will see that okay, if 865 is broken, then the next support level is 816. These are the two technical levels that can get retested. So under 853, if you see, that means 865 is broken. That is a conclusive close. Then you will see 816 come, and then if 816 also breaks, you can see 776. So these are the price bands which I see happening. This is these two green lines are the long term trend lines which I see. The major support that I see is at the level of 676 to 670. This is only and only when a crash scenario can happen. When was the last crash? The last crash scenario which had happened was on 4th of June. That was again 4th June 2024, when the election results had happened. It had made a major bottom which was near 607 level. Now, can this level come? Nobody knows. But what is the main support? The main support is 676 to 670. That is the main support area that is possible. Can a crack happen or a crash happen? Answer is yes. Is a possibility that a crack and a crash happen, but that is only if a level breaks. Which level will break? We don't know. But till which level can we keep watching? The answer is that if a 740 level, that is this green line you see over here, if this starts breaking and you see it coming down, then yes, this can be considered that there is a crash kind of a scenario happening in Syngene International. And if you are a person who is thinking of a long term investment, then the main area where you should be looking at buying, if you want to start investing and get into Syngene, then I would look at it from a perspective that 750 is a very very good price to buy Syngene International. Goes without saying. And if that starts cracking, then you have very little to lose. You can immediately exit 730 levels and wait for the main support to arrive, which is 670. That is the main area. Why am I saying this? Again, this is the technical formation that is formed. That if you look at it, for the people who are regular viewers who understand technical analysis, they will see that there is some sort of a head and shoulders pattern. So the neckline is somewhere over here at 808 level. If that breaks, then there will be a completion of the head and shoulders pattern. But this is purely technical formation basis, which only if you understand technical analysis you'll be able to draw a conclusion. Main support is near 660. Below 660 there will be a huge crash. 660 is the area where most investors will come, institutional investors will come and buy. 660, 670 is the area where even you should be looking at buying if Syngene International is available. And I think this is a very near term view after looking at a 2 year data of Syngene International. To me it looks like a very strong chart. It doesn't look like a chart where you should be worried about as to what will happen. Neither on a weekly basis, neither on a monthly basis it looks like that there is any chance that this is a crashing kind of a stock. It is a buy on dip stock. The buy on dip should be near at 820 levels. You can buy somewhere near 750 levels. You can buy some near 670 if it comes crashing down. That is the strategy you should adapt if you are someone who is looking at buying this stock on buy on dip methodology, if you are a follower of buy on dip methodology. So I hope this analysis helps you understand what to do in a Syngene stock. Again, request you to please scan this code if you are thinking of contributing something to me and my costs associated with making these kind of videos. It will be so nice and I'll be very thankful to you. And if you like this video, it doesn't cost you anything. Please hit the like button, please hit the subscribe button to my channel, and thank you so much for watching this video.